This is a demonstration of cooktop safety smart cooktop sensor. In the system we have the sensor head that's mounted on the rear wall here. There's a small thermal imager that monitors the cooking surface for dangerous activity. There's a second module that's behind the stove, which looks like this, called the power cutoff. So this is a 240 volt outlet. Plug this in the wall, then you plug the stove in here, and it has a heavy duty relay, power supply, and communicates with the sensor head via a small wire, so that the sensor head is able to interrupt power to the stove in the event of a detected dangerous condition. So the first thing that we notice is that the sensor has the ability to detect the presence of people standing in front of it. Right now there's a wave pattern on the LED that is saying that somebody's detected. If I step away or stop moving, after some time it'll stop. Right now it's stopped detecting the person. So this is a feature that's very handy when you want to detect whether somebody is standing in front of the stove while cooking. If they walk away and the stove is still on, for example, and this is used to increase the safety of the system. The next thing that we can demonstrate is that the thermal imager is actively monitoring the surface of the stove at all times to see if any cooking activity is detected. So right now I'm going to turn on one of the elements, and then when it starts seeing activity, the LED is going to take on a color that's related to the temperature of the stove. So initially it starts at yellow, and as it detects a color that's hotter and hotter, it'll go all the way to red. So it's now detected a dangerous situation, so it's going to alert me for a period of time. So I could turn off the element, but I'm going to let it go to show you what happens if I step away. So we've heard a click, so the power cutoff module now has interrupted power to the stove. And then the unit is warning us that it cut off the power.
Danger, stove, power disabled.
And just to show you the picture of the surface of the stove, so it is indeed very hot. And then to restart the stove, all I have to do is press on this button right here. And as we can see, the power is now restored. Then I can start cooking again. So that's a basic demonstration of the operation of the smart cooktop sensor.